This is example number 4. Draw the front view, top view and left side view in the direction of X, Z and Y respectively. So here again we have to draw the front view, top view and side view. But observe here, the perspectives or the arrow or the cross mark is not given directly. It is mentioned we have to draw the front view in the direction of X, top view in the direction of Z, left side view in the direction of Y. So after interpreting this question, I have to draw the front view from this side and left side view from this side and top view from the above. So in the front view, this portion will be appearing and this portion will appear. This small box will also appear at the center, but this portion here will not appear in the front view. Left hand side will be going to be very easy because it's just L shape and this box will appear, and top view will have this rectangle, this box and this portion. So we'll see one more time what will appear in the front view, top view and side view. So in the front view, this rectangle will be visible, this box and this back portion. So this all which I have painted in red color will appear in the front view. For the top view, it's very simple also. These three, one rectangle, sorry, two rectangles and this portion, channel like portion will appear in the top view, and in the side view one L and one rectangular box will appear from the direction of Y. Now we will see how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
I will start with the front view first. You see the bottom line of the front view, it is given as 60 mm. So I will draw that line first. Here you can see. So this is the 60 mm line, and this is the 15 mm line on the left hand side, with which we can complete the first rectangle which is visible from the front, as you are seeing from the X side. This is a small rectangle of 60 by 15. Now on the back face you can see that the total height of this figure is 60 mm. So with including this 15, we have to completely draw the 60 mm line for the back rectangle. And now we can easily complete the this rectangle here. So our front view is almost completed, but you need to observe that there is one more small box in the center which we have to draw. So in the center there is a box which is 22 in length. So first we need to calculate where we have to place it. Actually this total length is 60 and the box length is 22. So the leftover length will be 38 mm. So we need to leave half portion of 38 here and half portion of 38 here. That would be 19. So you can observe that just before 20 mm. So I have taken this line. Now the height is 20 mm and this length is 22. With this, the small little box in the center is completed and our front view is completed. Now I will start drawing the top view. First I will project the lines. Now the XY line, and first I will draw the rectangle which is visible in the top, which is again this is 15 mm. Also the total width of this figure is 75 mm. So we need to take this length including this 75. So I will draw this 75 mm line. And then this 60 and till this projection line. Our top view is almost complete. Just we need to take this box, center box here, And now we have to take this length as 30 mm because it is mentioned and it is visible from the top view also. 30 mm. There you go. Your top view is now completed. Now I will draw the left hand side view, which will be drawn on the right hand side of this sheet. So first the meter line. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. Yes, 45. And need to project this lines till the meter line. I need to project this. And now I will project this upwards. It's completed. From the front view also, projection lines. Now that this portion is formed here, in which your left hand side will appear. So left hand side view is very simple. That's L shape. I will first darken this bottom line and this line. And this will be 15 mm, which actually we have obtained from the projection lines. And then till this line, you can observe that this line till the end, and hence this is completed. Now the small box which was visible from the front, hence our left hand side view is completed. Now I will do the dimensioning with a 2H pencil. This line is 60 and this the overall height of this figure is also 60. And this height is given as 20 mm of the small box. This length width is given of the overall width of the top view is 75 mm. So now everything is completed. After dimensioning, it will look like this.